Zachary. I'm a rising sophomore at SAR High School, and my main project is the omnidirectional robot. And I chose it because it has, nothing too complicated in any area of engineering, but it has a little bit of everything. Some mechanical, some software, a good amount of electrical, as you can see. So I'll give it a little demo and I'll explain all the features. Hopefully it'll be good on this talk. So let me just turn the motors on. I got a nice button for that. So it can go in all directions. It can spin around. And I'll just explain each of the features. It actually has a Wi-Fi camera, so that this camera actually goes to this phone. So I could be, driving the robot around the back of the room, but still see it here. I have these walkie-talkies that I can actually, speak to whoever's on the other side, and I can also, I can also press the button here that will turn this, motor here. It will actually press this walkie-talkie down, and then I'll be able to hear what's on that side. So let me just show that to you. So you see that. They're a little close, so I don't make that sound, but I can actually press this to hear what's on the other side. So the way it works is that the signal goes from here to a receiver, and the receiver goes into the Arduino chip that you've heard about. So basically, the Arduino can take input and output, and basically it takes the input from the receiver, and through a lot of code that I did, it's basically able to send that code to different... It went a little crazy there. Occasionally that happens, not too often. So it goes to the Arduino chip, and the Arduino sends signals to the motors, and then basically, so then it's able to move in all directions. I actually didn't demonstrate it. It seems I'm a little low on battery, so maybe stuff's gonna happen, but it actually also has these sensors over here that basically, when it gets too close to an object, it'll actually go in the other direction. So originally I intended that to be just for, just so it doesn't crash, but actually now I have a second way to move it so that it actually moves, or I can actually put my hand near the sensor and it'll move in that direction. I don't think I missed anything. So basically, I enjoyed doing this project. It was very fun, and it's like a nice final piece to add on the project. There were some times that were difficult. One of the times that was difficult, I had a lot of issues with connectivity between the controller, this, and the Arduino, and it was a different problem every time. Sometimes it could have been wiring one time, it could have been interference with other people's controllers, but I ended up figuring out what it was, correcting the wiring. Any questions?
Is the battery totally dead, or is it just
it runs on like 7.4 volts.
Show me the sensor.
It might be going.
It's not like you're gonna do anything after that. Okay. It's not gonna do that.
Actually, could be because of this. Yeah, it was probably because of that. But anyway, if you see, I'll show you the sensors now. It goes away from the sensor in each direction. So I can move my hand here. No, I'm not touching. Right, look, but I'll just show it. I'll just get a nice angle like this.
Don't push it off the table.
No, so I won't push it off the table. But that's it. Yep, that's it.
Alright guys, give it one more time.